We're inside the Southridge Model 3, and we've got the studs built in the home now, and I just want to show people exactly how easy it is to put the studs in these homes and your electrical and your heating and AC systems. In this particular home, we've got our studs. These are 3 5/8 inch studs. Most of the time we are going to be shipping colored studs. And you say, well, colored studs. These colored studs are first grade material that is used on standing seam roofs, that when we roll these standing seam roofs, we have extra material. We roll these studs out of this material. It's either a 24 gauge material that is 50 KSI, 50,000 pounds per square inch. It's 3 5/8. All the holes are punched in them for your trades, like I say, for the electrical plumbing contractors to come in. And this is a strong stud system. If you look up here, you've got a track system that it fits in, a track system at the bottom. You're going to have perfectly straight walls. Let's talk a little bit about the HVAC system in the homes. A lot of folks have questions about that. Best thing is just to show you. If you look up here, this system was put up into the attic system above, and standard round ducting. When they came up to a frame, they went to an oval ducting system between the rafter and the roof system, back to a standard oval duct system. Very simple. Come over here and let's just look at the AC duct coming out of the stud wall. Very easy, screwed right in. Your sheetrock man can go right above. You're ready to go. Very simple with it. Right here will show, how we're going to put our duct work in the ceiling. As you can see that the HVAC contractor came across, simply screwed into the ceiling joist system, screwed over to the edge angle that Kodiak provides for the sheetrocker. So you've got a complete system, and screwed it right in. Same way with the center lighting in the room here. Screwed it into the system. He's ready to go with it. Okay, if you look up into the ceiling system of this home, you'll notice that we have the Solar Guard reflective radiant barrier insulation. This radiant barrier is a perforated system on both sides. It reflects 97% of the sun's radiant energy coming into the home, and it will reflect the heat once it rises in the wintertime coming back into the home. Very energy efficient system. If you notice up here, your sheetrock with our framing system, you're ready to go. Everything in this home now is almost ready for the sheetrockers to come in and mud and start making this into a home. Once the sheetrock crew comes in here, they're going to insulate the walls with 6 inches system. Put the sheetrock up. You're going to have an R19 wall plus the reflective insulation on the outside with it. Very secure system. I wanted to talk about also the framed openings. If you notice on all of our framed openings for windows, you've got 2 jambs here on each side. You've got your header across, screwed on 16-inch centers. This is a solid framed opening for your windows. And once again, your windows are your choice that you put in your new home. We give you enough material to put the type of window and the size of window that you would like to have. The main frame columns on the Kodiak steel home are a wide flange steel I-beam. As you can see down here at the bottom, the column is bolted down through the base plate hole onto the anchor bolt It's bolted down for a solid connection. As you can see, this is a very clean system in here. Look at the straight walls. We did want you to notice that we did put a 2x4 framing around these door jambs, and you say, well, it's an all-steel house. Why? Most folks are going to go build or buy a standard door from Home Depot, Lowe's, a Stanley door. Those doors are designed to go in to a wood-framed opening, and they're made of wood. This won't hurt your door. It'll make it easier to install, help deaden it, and it'll make the trades easier to install all the hardware with it. On this home, the owner of this home bought a steel home for one reason. He didn't want to have any maintenance, nor did he not want to have any wood. Georgia Pacific makes the dense glass exterior sheathing. This product is fireproof, it's water resistant, it won't mold, it's a very strong product, and best of all, it's not going to burn. So it gives strength to the home, and you can put whatever type of exterior product you would like to put on this home. From brick, rock, steel siding, premium vinyl siding, drive it, whatever you would like. But if you are going to build a home, we recommend the dense glass over wood. This product is the top of the line, and it's worth the money. What we're showing you here is what Kodiak provides on our ceiling framing system. As you can see, that it is a heavy red iron system. We provide the edge angle that goes up against the exterior wall, a heavy 6-inch by 2.5-inch ceiling joist system. Everything's complete and ready for your sheetrock. And you ask, why is it so heavy? When you're in a big storm or a big windstorm, you don't want your sheetrock to crack. With this type of system, you're not going to have sheetrock cracking. Quality system and complete. But one point I want to make by you scanning and looking around here is there is not a stronger steel home or an easier home on the market to build today. And by you seeing how this structure is built, wood will not do it. This is a red iron structural system that is easy to build and is a engineered system. That makes the difference.